Today we're at Jackleys Bakehouse on Ishmael Road, where Dale and Beck and the team are having a 35 kilowatt solar system installed comprising of Trina panels and a sun-grow inverter. Let's go inside and have a chat to Dale.
Hey guys, Dale from Jackleys Bakehouse here. Just doing a quick shout out to G Solar. We had a few issues when we moved into our first commercial building in Cairns. One of those issues is all of a sudden we have to think about electricity and how much we're spending. I went to Grant at G Solar with our problem, and he had the solution for us. So we're getting solar on our roof. We're going to be a little bit greener and we get to save money. It was important for us to go local with this. We reached out to Grant. I thought it was great that I could talk to a real person. He came straight out to the shop, had a chat, asked what our problem was. He had a million solutions, very knowledgeable guy. And that was the difference for us, rather than using some out-of-town cowboy that really didn't care about me. So yeah, it's been great. Yep, so the end goal in getting solar for us is saving money. Obviously, in small business, it's very tough. So we're conscious of that, how much electricity we're spending, but also being green and, doing the right thing and doing our part. So we're looking forward to seeing how this helps us. So further down the track, plan to catch up with Grant and see how this has helped our bill, how the difference it's made for us. And that's another reason why I wanted someone local, so I could catch up with them in the future, make sure it's done what we need to do, and we can constantly track it. So that's pretty exciting to look forward to too.